dobro večer, i zdravo, ciao, dobro došli MPMA, ja Rumunci, dobro došli u Serbije, you know what I'm saying, ja sam iz Amerike, you know what I'm saying, da, you know what I'm saying, it's your boy Jay Munchie, and I'm back with another reaction video, you know what I'm saying, we back in Serbia, baby, you know what I'm saying, banda, sada gangarate, so banda, this is the Serbian, you know what I'm saying, royal empire, you know what I'm saying, the Munchie royal empire, you know what I'm saying, shout out to my Moya Brachi Seshri, you know what I'm saying, Volunteer, I love you guys, you know what I'm saying, and if you guys ready for a super lit, you know what I'm saying, hip hop, you know what I'm saying, underground Serbian rap, you know what I'm saying, and don't you go nowhere because we will react to Centaur Serbia, Steel. The song's called, wait, I don't know what the song's called. Is the song called Steel? Still, is it still? It's like st. I think it's still. It says Rat Clip 1, and it says paid in full. You know what I'm saying? So without further ado, let's get into this reaction video. Doisa, Nazasa, Drugam over Gori Serbski, rapper, you know what I'm saying? Drugam reaction. Da, you know what I'm saying? You already know. And what I need y'all guys to do, you know what I'm saying? Vraspite, do me, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you smash that like button, you know what I'm saying? You already know. But you know how gang with the gang. And I just smash that subscribe button too, you know what I'm saying? Pristini do me za plot too, you know what I'm saying? And make sure you turn on your post notifications. Uklushite, Zavano za oba vestenya, you know what I'm saying? Da. So without further ado, let's get into this reaction video.
Sati oči, budne noge teške, uvek gledam iza sebe, ovdje jeftine su greške, nema greške, ideš dalje, cepaš peške, sranje štekneš, jer nećeš njuške da sretneš, bit sivujem pa jebem, sranje tužno kao Kerber, pa sranje pretvorim u evre bez dileme, ne dam svoje, uzmem tvoje, ajde pali, oružana pljačka, oprednikovi su pali, jer nisu znali, da smeška im se robija, 3 godine ko dobar dan, jer mozak ti je drogiran, pa svaku hoće deo tebe, jer nema sebe, imaju živote bedne, pa gleda tebe, svako veče.
So you spell Tebe like T-E-B-E, right? T-E-B-E, Tebe. I mean Debe. Debe.
Iskrcane, na klupicama tužne kučke plaču zato što su prcene. I brate sve je to surova istina i nisam kriv što svaki idealo iskida kapi krvi. Na belim patikama, jer đavo ne da mira pa se vraća stari navikama. Noću kuje planove, ortak si počuva, u šteku greješ manove, dok ne zaspi čuvar. Preko zida prvo japa leti torba, do malo snova preko krova dovedete lova. Život surov, nekima je teška borba, a iza toga ljude čeka.
Shavaka Charles, da, ovo je Yupoyeno, you know what I'm saying? This is fire, you know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. I like his flow, his style, his cadence, you know what I'm saying? I like the filter too. Look like it's early in the morning, look like it's like the sun is just, it's either the sun is going down, is either just breaking, it's about to be nighttime, or it's early in the morning and the sun is rising, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, you know what I'm saying? Let's get into this reaction video. Pobra Mishe. Do pesma je šrovno je lepa. Da.
Keš ili tvor za neki keš naslede od matorih, a neko krvavi su danovi da klince kući nahrani, neko nekog izboje pa pako je da sahrani, to je real. Ovde u mraku su strahovi, ovde su crne posledice, u glavi crno ko u kraju posle 12-ice, a ti si tu i dalje valješ.
So ovde, you spell ovde, O-V-D-E, right? Ovde.
Iza prodavnice i dalje rolaš sranje s pričom da smiruje živce i rep za negativce. Pedim fula, real life kujo, Reper Srbija stil kujo, session.
Okay. He said, that was a freestyle session? Is that what he just said? I think that's what he said. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this reaction video, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you Superman punch that like button in the face, you know what I'm saying? Razbite, do me, hit that, you know what I'm saying, like button, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Pristini do me, Platu, you know what I'm saying, da, you know what I'm saying, and make sure you hit that post notification, you know what I'm saying, uklushite, you know what I'm saying, zavano za oba vestanye, stanye. Anyway, I think I said stanye is stenya. Excuse me, Zunini, excuse me, you know what I'm saying, but volum te moya brachi essentially, you know what I'm saying, I enjoyed this reaction video, you know what I'm saying, I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction too, you know what I'm saying, Havala Sarima, da, you know what I'm saying, do y'all notice that I'm using different Serbian words now? But anyway, you know what I'm saying, this was Serbian hip-hop, you know what I'm saying, the flow was dope, the beat was fire, I actually like the beat was super dope. You know what I'm saying? Had that classic hip hop sound to it. You know what I'm saying? Like a glass of fine wine, you know what I'm saying? Some white wine, you know what I'm saying? And let's not be, you know what I'm saying? Let's get some kavas in our system. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I really enjoyed it. Ja sam shrovno uživao. You know what I'm saying? Sutra će biti zabavno. You know what I'm saying? Tomorrow should be lit. You know what I'm saying? We will be doing more reaction videos. You know what I'm saying? Para Kisha. It's raining too. It's raining right now. No cap, no bullshit. It's raining outside. It's been raining for like the last 3 days. But guess what? I love the rain. You know what I'm saying? Yavolim kisu. Nah, Zunini. Yavolim kisa. I remember. It's kisu when I say it the other way. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this reaction video. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to Serbia. Dobrodošli u Serbia. Da. You know what I'm saying? Me, I am Jay Munchie, you know what I'm saying? Zom se yai vromuncie, you know what I'm saying? Da, you know what I'm saying? Yasam Krai, I am the king, and bow down before the mighty king, you know what I'm saying? And with no further ado, banda, saregangarate, sa, banda, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, get there, where are my brothers and sisters from? You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my Serbians in Belgrade, Novi Sad, and Niš, you know what I'm saying? Niš is in Serbia, right? I don't know. I might got that last one wrong. You know what I'm saying? Volunteer moja Krajevi i Kraljice. You know what I'm saying? I see you guys tomorrow, and I see you guys in the next video. Vidim vas u sljedećem video.
Bluetooth pairing.